Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Laura, and yeah, this is a December monthly plan with me. Yep, December 2020. We're going back in the past. I knew when I ordered this that this kit was going to be late arriving because it's from the Pretty Pink Co. And yep, throwing all the shade. I love her shop. It's beautiful, but things just take a really long time to get to you. But I also knew I was going to be gone when it arrived, and I was just resigned to the fact that it was just going to be late. So, but the kit was really pretty, and it was like my favorite one that I found. So I just sucked it up and was like, I'll just do it as a rewind, and it's fine, because it just was fine. So like I said, this is from the Pretty Pink Co. This artwork is beautiful. I used it in a kit before. I think last year from Peach Palm maybe, but it's super beautiful and it has all this gorgeous silver foil on it. So you have the two top bars here. It says December, it's the most wonderful time of the year. And then all of these white and gray boxes with the red ribbons. You've got the candy canes and pine cones and things. And then you have all the flags and like label type stuff, washi strips, labels and boxes and whatnot. You do get this little sheet of clear stickers to kind of fill out the spread, as well as all of the date numbers. These are on circles. And then I think this page was extra. I can't quite remember, but I think you pay extra for the sheet and you get the sidebar, 4 more boxes for days that are not in the month, 3 more like full boxes, and then some like little layering shape kind of things here. So there's a lot. I'm like a lot. And I think I'm actually going to start with this page because I always forget to put washi strips down, and I do have my winter break in here. So we're going to start there. I did go ahead and white out the month as well as the days of the week. And then yeah, that's just, and a couple of the days down here. But that's it. That's all I whited out so far. So I think we're just gonna get started there and pick up. Oh, I didn't realize there was no holidays. Ugh, I hate when there's no holidays. Okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna just put some music on, I think, because I think it's gonna take me a while just to get the bass down because the whole month has already happened. So I think I'm just gonna put some music on and speed up, like I said, and then I will come back and we'll talk about everything that happened in the month, especially because I was gone for quite a bit of the month, back in Wisconsin. So yeah, we'll do that. Hopefully you guys don't mind, but I don't know. Tell me down below what kit you used for your December monthly. I'm always interested in where you guys get your monthly kits from because I feel like I use the same shops over and over again, and I like to find out new shops because not as many places do monthly kits as weekly kits. So I like to hear new places to look. So leave that down below if you have monthly kits. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I went and did the dates off camera, and I had a phone call, and I had to upload footage, and I had to go find a few other stickers. So, let's see. I don't think I marked like everything, but that's okay. So, I had an interview with a student for one of his class projects. It was like one of my former students. He's in college now. And then I had a Google Meet with one of my former students. Also, he's thinking about becoming a teacher. So he wanted to like get some inside knowledge. I feel like, did I have a Google meeting with like other people? I think that was, maybe that was in November. That's not even the monthly. Oh goodness, now I don't even know. I'll have to look through again because I feel like that was in December also. I don't know. I decorated my parents' Christmas tree on the 5th. We had some Packer games in here, which were all wins, so that was amazing. Cultivate Your Year Live was on the 7th, which was so good. My friend's birthday, Hanukkah started. We had finals week in here. My brother's girlfriend's stroke was this day, and hallelujah, you guys, she came home today. Today's January 5th. She went to rehab. I can't remember, like somewhere around here, like after Christmas. She went to a rehab facility for like, they do like cognitive stuff and like working on mobility and kind of like things around the house and speech therapy and stuff like that. I probably need to zoom out just a little, don't I? Sorry about that. And she was in that rehab facility, and they were thinking she was probably going to have to be there for months, and she's home. So that is phenomenal. She's still going to have to continue going to daily therapy in person. So, I mean, she's nowhere near like out of the park, but like the fact that she's out of ICU and out of the like live-in rehab facility is fantastic. So, yay for progress. I mean, it's just unreal. Yeah, I mean, it's only been a couple weeks, so unreal. Anyways, finals week, my grandma's birthday, my grades were due this day. We had a furlough day, it was payday. Winter break started. I joined the Sticker Love and PR team, which has been phenomenal. I baked cookies with my mom. I signed my will and my power of attorney. Winter began, and like I have my winter break marked with that like washi in there. It was Christmas Eve. On Christmas, we went and visited my brother and my niece. Kwanzaa, my dad's birthday. Oh, I didn't mark. Oh, yeah, I was going to say I didn't mark my trip home, but I did because it got pushed back to here. I was originally going to leave on the 28th, but we had snowstorms like Sunday through Wednesday from like Iowa all the way up to Wisconsin, so I couldn't exactly do that. So I drove on the 31st and the 1st. It was New Year's Eve, and then it was into January. And then over here, I'll write like bills and stuff. I didn't mark my other bills in here because we didn't get bill due stickers. There's like money, like little money and credit cards and stuff, but because it's a rewind spread, like it doesn't really matter. And then I'll put my like Instagram and YouTube goals and statistics and stuff in here. But otherwise, I think it's really pretty, really gorgeous. Tons of silver foil. The Packer stickers never go, but it's fine. I'm just enjoying the Packer season this year, so I'm just living it up. But yeah, that was the December monthly spread, so I hope you guys didn't mind seeing that late. And again, this is from Pretty Pink Co. I will have them linked down below, but just know when you order, you probably won't get your stickers on time, so be careful. Like $2 Tuesdays and stuff, like those are really fun and fine, but if you're ordering like a monthly kit, like it'll seem like you're ordering it months, plenty of time, but you may or may not get that little kit in time for the month. You'll probably get it like right at the beginning of the month, but just be forewarned. You may or may not. Anyways, but it'll be gorgeous. It will be gorgeous. I promise you that. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna go. This was really fun and beautiful. super, super pretty kit. I love it. I still have a lot of stickers left too. I did want to show you that. So there's like some like functional stuff in here. This little clear sheet has more stickers. I still have 4 full boxes and shapes. Otherwise I think I used everything. So yeah, that's still quite a bit left because I could have put all those in. And I probably should have put them underneath the like washi strip, but it's okay. I just felt like it was going to get a little cluttered, so I left it alone. But yeah, that's everything for me. I hope you guys enjoy. I will talk to you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button on your way out if you haven't already. Talk to you later. Bye.